Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of heavy machinery. These machines are far more powerful or sophisticated than anything we've seen before. They are redefining what's possible in terms of engineering and technology. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things. Number 1. CAT 6030 Excavator. The CAT 6030 hydraulic mining shovel is owned by more customers than any other product in the CAT portfolio, and for good reason. It provides the most powerful engine output in its class, along with the mobility and flexibility you need from a 300-ton machine. The 6030 offers a standard bucket capacity of 17 cubic meter in backhoe configuration. Number 2. UNITRACK 92P5. The Lindner UNITRACK is a versatile complete equipment carrier, maneuver-able and economical on the road. Soil conserving in grassland farming and safe in the field. The pioneering technology is equipped with a unique chassis concept and is therefore ready for every conceivable requirement. Independent suspension, disc brakes, hydraulic suspension with level control, permanent all-wheel drive, load switchable differential locks, and much more. Number 3. Stevia Mover Harvester. The mower is equipped with a hydraulic unloadable storage bunker, which can be controlled from the driver's seat. The mower is self-propelled by a diesel engine with hydraulics. Harvester can be fully custom built to suit your crop. It can be set up with a mowing header or a stripper header to suit your crop or processing method. Number 4. Garford Robocrop Weeder. The Garford Robocrop in row weeder uses tried and tested Robocrop video image analysis techniques to locate individual plants in order to mechanically remove weeds from the inter-row and, importantly, within the crop row between the plants. Developed for use on transplanted crops such as lettuce, cabbage, celery, Robocrop in row can however be used on most crops that are planted with regular plant and row spacing, where the plant foliage is clearly separated from the next plant. Number 5. Fent Saver. The first thing that is evident with the latest generation of the Fent Saver is the design switch from 4 to 3 wheels. The larger wheels offer increased ground contact, greater ground clearance, and more precise depth guidance. The new generation can really play out its strength on the headland. At just 2 meters, the new Fent Saver needs hardly any space when turning and the rear steering. Number 6. Seedhawk Air Drill. The Seedhawk 30 air drill is a perfect fit for smaller farms and mixed farming operations, where larger seed drills are impractical. Regardless of the diversity of your crops, the 30 air drill with its precision Seedhawk openers provides the same legendary seed and fertilizer placement as large-scale Seedhawk seeding systems. It is a compact combination of air cart and toolbar with low horsepower requirements. Number 7. Algen ADVV 525. The ADV 525 is the perfect solution for landfills with a smaller budget who need the power of a big machine. A game changer for landfill compactors, the ADV 500 is built for performance and reliability, compacting up to 950 tons per day. Will produce between 450 or 490 pounds per linear inch of compaction depending on the machine configuration, and is powered by a 503 HP Volvo Penta engine. Number 8. Simon Carrot Harvester. The new Simon Carrot Harvesters have an updated touch screen control box. The drive of the topping units is now driven by stronger gears, and they have improved the main drive shaft position along the harvester. Also, the new models now offer better side steering on the lifting rails that are capable of working with GPS via angular encoders. This system working together with the auto depth, which also runs off of the same encoders, makes lifting a lot easier for the operator. Number 9. ROPA KELLER 2. The ROPA KELLER 2 is a 2-row trailed potato harvester with approximately 7.5 debunker. As well as new details, the KELLER 2 has a fully hydraulic drive for optimal adjustment for cleaning. The KELLER 2 operates independently of the PTO speed and thus maintains all cleaning units in the optimal speed range. The result is reduced fuel consumption with reduced tractor engine speed. Number 10. JACKO ARBUS 4000. The ARBUS uses a multi-fan system that uses a multi-control spraying system with an intelligent section control. Spraying will only take place where there is green mass present. The laser scanning system analyzes the environment. 4,000 liters of tank, greater autonomy in the working day. Modern and compact design without surfaces allowing damage to the fruits and parts of the plant. It controls the airflow independently according to the size of the plant with better energy efficiency, providing reduction in fuel consumption.